Good morning, guys. Today is a very important day. It is 21st June 2025, and for this historic and significance day, I am jogging 5 kilometers from this place, which is Dr. Shivanti Adityanar Arts and Science College in Tirchandur, a very revered place because here is a Murugan temple. It is one of the 6 most important Murugan temples which are there in Tamil Nadu. And from here, I'll be jogging to Dr. Shivanti Adityanar Engineering College, which is around 5 kilometers from here. So, what is the significance? Why I'm jogging to that place? And the other things we'll talk about as I jog on this journey. And but before that, as usual, the intro music. Yeah. Yeah, welcome back, guys. So I was talking that I'm doing this jog of 5 kilometers from Dr. Shivanti Adityanar College Arts and Science to the same management school college, so that is mechanical engineering. So today is 21st June 2025, and the significance is that today is the International Day of Yoga 2025. This yoga day was given by the present Prime Minister Modi in UN, and he had asked for this day to be nominated as the International Day of Yoga. And thereafter, since 2015 onwards, this yoga day has been being celebrated till date. And for the same thing, I'm going to the college where this yoga will be conducted. So I am called as a guest there, where I'll do some poses of the yoga and enjoy the company of the youngsters of the college. So it's a great day. I'm thankful to the management of Dr. Shivanti Adityanar College Management that when I came to Tirchandur, they gave me accommodation in their college in Arts and Science Institute, and from there the Tirchandur temple, a very revered temple in the Tamil Nadu. It is one of the 6 very revered temples of Lord Murugan, or Kartikeyan, the son of Shiva. So it is only Murugan temple which is alongside the sea beach, and it is said that this temple, during the tsunami of 2004, nothing happened to it, though the neighboring parts or the neighboring places of this Tamil Nadu were devastated, but nothing happened to this revered temple. So if you are in Tamil Nadu, then this is again one of the places where it's a must visit that you must do. Though I have covered this in one of my earlier videos around 2.5 years back, when I had come to Tirchandur and visited and had darshan of Lord Murugan in this temple. Whew. Nice jogging early in the morning, and I have already completed 3 kilometers, 2 more to go to reach my destination. The name Dr. Shivanti Adityanar is a very respected name here in Tirchandur or all over the Tamil Nadu. It is because he was a great personality who established the AEI, or the Adityanar Education Institution, by which they were able to provide quality education to the backward and poor people of this area. So, though I'm not much aware of the history, so I'll take assistance of the professor or the head of department at the Dr. Shivanti Adityanar College of Mechanical Engineering to give me some input about the personality and the history of these institutions. So it is only when I will reach there I'll be able to get that. So till then I need to keep the pace on, and as I'm moving ahead, I would like to also inform you that all along this road which I'm jogging on from the Tichandur Mandir onwards towards Channel Valley, which is also called Nellai in Tamil Nadu in local language. So here we have the another college of the same management, which is the physical education, and thereafter there is a college of education. Then after that you have the mechanical engineering college. So in a line there are a number of colleges of the same management giving human service to these people of the local area. Yeah, come on. Oh. As per my watch, only around 800 to 900 meters left to reach my destination. So I think the visibility has also increased. So I will just switch off my light. I use this while running in the morning or late evening because it helps to give the visibility to the other person and may help in avoiding accident which might occur due to low visibility, because at night or early morning it's quite dark and people are generally not able to see you running. Yeah, so time to switch off. Yeah, just a few meters more and then I'll be there at the college where the yoga day is being celebrated. So I'm there to join them and do some yoga poses. Oh, let's see how the event takes place there. Okay, so we are at the entrance of the college. As I told you, Dr. Shivanti Adityanar College of Engineering. Yeah, good jogging till here. Now for the yoga day. Yeah. Whew. So now I'll close the video and I'll try to shoot the yoga day.
To celebrate 11th International Yoga Day, 29 Independent Company NCC Tujuguri, our officer commanding Colonel Prudhoe sir, to honor the chief guest.
As we finish this yoga session, on behalf of our company, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the two eminent yoga practitioners from Dr. Shivanti Adityanar College of Engineering, coming all the way today morning and imparting this beautiful yoga session. So let's do an NCC clap for them. Thank you.
So with me is Mr. Shiva Murugan. So he'll be telling us about the event, what was conducted here, and about the college and its history. Yeah,
Yes,
Mr. Murugan.
Yes, sir. Hello, good morning to all. I am Siva Murugan, Assistant Professor of Adityanar College of Arts and Science, Tiruchendur, Tootukurin District, Tamil Nadu. I am proud to convey about Sipa Adityanar. He is look like called as Tamilar Thandai. He is initiated Daily Thandi newspaper in Tamil Nadu and number of states in India as well as abroad in Dubai edition also.
Okay.
In addition, he initiated colleges in Tiruchendur, Tootukurin district. Initially in 1965, he initiated Adityanar College of Arts and Science. He built a number of institutes in Tiruchendur. I am proud to stand here, Dr. Shivanti Adityanar College of Engineering. Here, annual training camp is going on. The camp was initiated by 29th Tamil Nadu Independent Company, Tootukurin. During
This annual training camp is of NCC cadets.
Yes, sir,
So
yes, sir.
this is conducted every year.
Yes,
annually.
sir. Yes, sir, yes, sir.
So what was the event? We had come for the International Yoga Day
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
here.
Yes,
So
sir.
you are part of it to conduct. You are the organizer.
Okay, okay, yes, sir, yes, sir. In this connection, during the annual training camp, among 500 cadets from Tootukurin district in various schools and colleges, here today also we are conducted one event, International Yoga Day. Very proud to convey June 21st. During the period of 2015 onwards, we are celebrated International Yoga Day. This year, 11th International Yoga Day also celebrated in this campus. 500 cadets actively participated in yoga event.
Thank you. And we also have Miss Helen, who will be telling us. So you were here also for the yoga day?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
I am part of this camp.
You are the part of this camp. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. So how was the feeling being part of this yoga day today?
Yes, sir. Very nice. We did what the instructor gave the instruction, and we feel very relaxed and spiritual feeling among us.
Yeah, great. And the slight meditative music in the background.
Behind, yes, sir.
Yeah, it was very
that created a very
that ambient atmosphere, very spiritually uplifting.
yes, sir.
What do you say? So it's a good fortune to be here with so many of the NCC cadets and the teachers and the professors here. So great experience.
Yes, sir.
So thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Shiva Murugan. Thank you very much. Okay, guys. So the event is over, and the purpose of being here in my destination is also over. So back to my abode. So I hope you like the video, and see you in the next somewhere else and some other event. Till then, take care, keep the dosh.